a speck. Try to bring him back in front of us again. Oh shit. A little unexpected wind action there.
I know, that's what happened to me that first shot. It was like, whoa, wind, and blew me right out of the air.
Yeah, it's definitely not ideal flying conditions.
Yeah, because I was doing better than that yesterday.
It's a constant flight just to keep it.
I'm telling you, I had that thing way up there. I'm not daring you, I'm just saying. It wasn't on purpose, really. It wouldn't come back. It would only go higher. But I brought it back down safely.
I'm going to get up pretty high there and just kind of dip it down, bring it right back towards us. That thing was hauling some ass right there.
Yeah, I heard those blades pop in the air a little bit.
Still real, that battery's doing really well. Mine, even when the battery was good, it was already starting to...
Especially in wind.
Yeah,
I mean, you're turning a lot.
fighting the wind the whole time.
Yeah, you're
too.
turning a lot. That blade is turning all the time.
I think I just spoke too soon. I think that's about...
Did it quit?
Right there. No, it didn't quit, but it's...
I mean, it...
yeah, we're running out of lift. It's
Yeah.
done.
It's good that it... you don't have to run it, dude.
Shut her off.